OPEC's forecast seems to conflict with what we're actually hearing from the I.E.A.
Yeah, the reports are indeed quite mixed, but probably one way to look at it is it's really all about the timing. So OPEC's pretty bearish about demand for this quarter, while the I.E.A. and Goldman, they're talking about overall increase in oil demand because of surging natural gas prices. So I think it's they're summing up the two ends of the market right now. So right now in the physical markets, for instance, we're seeing signs of weakness as the market's undergoing a huge correction from months of high fuel prices, high crude prices, and the markets, they're still mostly recovering. We saw a huge crash in fuel prices globally at the end of July as high oil prices hit economies, and the market's still looking for direction from that. On the other hand, we do see so what the I.E.A. and Goldman could be picking up on is a growing trend as gas prices are surging. So more industries, power generators, and residences are looking for alternatives to expensive gas. And that trend is set to pick up even more in the Northern Hemisphere winter towards the year end, which is traditionally when gas usage is pretty high. And this time Europe's going to weather it with even less Russian gas and oil. So that's really the season everyone is concerned about. And probably that's one way to look at the conflicting reports. So they're talking about different seasons and also talking about a potential market pivot.
Yeah, it makes it hard to believe, makes it difficult to figure out who to believe. Elizabeth, let's look at the bullish side. Goldman, you pointed out, seeing prices moving higher. What's the bull case?
So the bull case is really about natural gas prices because there's always been a switch from gas to oil in the previous years when gas prices were high. But right now, we have a bigger problem. We have Europe about to face winter, which is the highest season of consumption for gas, without Russian gas. So I think they're estimating even a tighter market for both gas and oil. So more economies, more industries switching to oil. I think that's a part of it. That's driving the bullish sentiment.